Hey, I'm Jonathan Wild, and we are going to cover how to record purchases with returns and allowances. An allowance is a price reduction to the buyer. This is kind of like if we ordered a shipment of shoes and some arrive with scuff marks. We call the supplier and they offer us a price reduction or allowance to keep the shoes instead of shipping them back for a refund. We get compensated for the damage and the supplier avoids a full refund. Now let's run through an example on how to account for an allowance. Assume we purchase merchandise to resell, and a few days later we notice that some of the merchandise is defective. When we talk to our supplier, they give us an allowance of $120. The allowance reduces the accounts payable and the amount we owe to the supplier. We record the $120 allowance with a debit to accounts payable and a credit to merchandise inventory. We record a credit and decrease to inventory because it is worth less due to the defects. Next, let's discuss returns. Assume we purchase $1,000 of merchandise on March 1st with terms 215, net 60. We record this with a debit to merchandise inventory for $1,000 and a credit to accounts payable for $1,000. On March 5th, we return $200 of merchandise to the supplier. We record this with a debit to accounts payable for $200 and a credit to merchandise inventory for $200. This entry decreases accounts payable and decreases merchandise inventory. On March 16th, we pay for the merchandise and take the 2% discount. Now, when we take the 2% discount, we only take it on the remaining balance of $800, which is the $1,000 of merchandise originally purchased minus the $200 of merchandise we returned. So our discount is calculated as the $800 remaining balance multiplied by the 2% discount to get $16. Now in our entry, we debit accounts payable for $800 to remove that liability. We credit merchandise inventory for the $16 discount. Now, the inventory account balance shows what we actually paid for the merchandise we have. Last, we credit cash for $784 to reduce the asset account.